Hi guys! So I have to do some preparations for a video which I'm going to publish maybe end of this week, and it's about how to reach your goals, how to establish new habits, and how to use the cards to be motivated. And the preparations I have to do, first of all, I need a card which tells me exactly what are my goals. And for that, I want to use some stickers to motivate me and to structure this card. I also have some cute stickers. And I think I'll start with the dots. So the dots will tell me the different parts of my life, which is health, and then happiness, by the way, those are the things, those are the topics of my 365 Steps series, which is available on my channel Polyglot Mona in 6 languages. Then relaxation, learning, planning, and then parts of health is my diet, and exercise. So the things I want to learn is languages. That's a part of why I make those language learning videos on Polyglot Park It, Love It and Polyglot Mona. Polyglot Park It, Love It is bilingual, and Polyglot Mona is the same video, always in 6 languages. And there's an ebook with each video. So that's how I learn languages. I make those videos and ebooks so that other people can use them to learn. So what I want to learn is languages, and I want to program my own iOS app. So I learn SwiftUI, which is the program language which you use in Xcode to make the app. And also what I will put here, because it's also learning, it's reading. And at the moment I'm reading Brian Tracy's No Excuses. All things that I recommend are always in my Amazon link, which is the first link in every description. And then planning, so that consists of my daily planning, especially the frog and the routines or habits. I will talk about the frog in another video because I have downloaded Eat the Frog by Brian Tracy, but I've not read it completely. I just skipped through it, so I just know some basic ideas, but I have to read it in depth. So, planning, daily frog, daily habits, and then evaluation. So I want to do a weekly and a monthly and a quarterly and a yearly evaluation of what I planned and what I accomplished, to know what was effective and what was not. Then relaxation, that's one part of it is meditation. So that's just me sitting by the river, staring at the water, trying to think of nothing, which sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. And then the other one is much easier, which is prayer, which I'm sitting by the river, praying either a new prayer or a prayer I already know, or I make a prayer in several languages. I have a series on Polyglot Parket Love It, which is bilingual, about 1,000 prayers. So you can check that out if you like praying. And then diet. So I try to go no sugar step by step, and I already have some ideas how I can do that, because it's very difficult, because I have a sweet tooth and I don't know how to do it exactly, but I have some ideas how to do it. I already reduced sugar to one day, it's once a day for breakfast only, a piece of pastry, and every other day it's twice, because I can get some cookies from the supermarket also. Today is a once sugar day, and then tomorrow is the twice sugar a day. And then the rest of the diet just means it's healthy, so it's without sugar, but it's fruits and vegetables and fish and other proteins like yogurt and so on. I'll just put ... because this is a lot of things I can choose from. And exercise. So that's 3 different things. Either a 20k walk or a 10k walk plus swimming, or a 10k walk plus running. And swimming and running are each 30 minutes, and I can choose which one I want. And then, so that's my health. And then happiness. Happiness, apart from, that's all the things that make me happy, but apart from that, I need people around me. So I will put family, which is my 2 sons and my dad, and I will put friends, which is mainly my ex-husband Olaf, and then sometimes other friends, but at the moment I don't have that many friends, I have some French who are also my language learning partners. So I learn their language with them, like Italian and Russian and so on. And they learn German with me. By the way, if you are interested in learning German and you're an English native speaker, I would love to contact you, or I would love you to contact me, so that we can build a language learning partnership. Because at the moment I'm paying for English lessons, and it's a lot of money each month. So I could maybe pay you half of what I pay my teachers, and then also you get a German lesson for free each week. Yep. Okay. So also happiness means for me that I'm living in my car, traveling. I don't travel too fast, because that's just annoying, and I can't do anything else then. And then also a habit that is for happiness, that's journaling. And then I think that's all, but I just check my cards. Walking, breakfast, hiking guide. Well, making videos, what is that? I think it belongs to learning languages, because I make all those videos. But the hiking guide, that's also like a part of my journal. Well, things can belong to different categories as well. So, and then social media, that's only to make publicity for my videos and ebooks. Grocery shopping, that's health. Bathing and showering is happiness. Why did I forget that? Now it's in the center of the card. I love bathing in rivers, especially rivers that are in the mountains. They are so clean, and I love it. So I think that's everything now. Meditation, prayer, make videos about those topics and upload them. Dialogues and correction is learning. And the rest, household items are, well, I just do them. And tutoring and corrections and, well, my job. What is my job? That's doing something useful. And it's happiness, isn't it? So I will put job here. I'm running out of space. So job is also happiness, because I'm feeling useful and I have enough money to live. Swift UI, that's learning. Diary, I wrote. I wrote journal, but that's the same. Reading, book summary, yeah. So, well, what is most important of those things? I think most important is consistency. So doing all the habits every day. So I have to quantify them. I have to say, when am I doing this and how long? Well, living in the car, that's always. I just put a sticker where I don't put minutes or something. My job, well, I only want to work 15 hours, that's the goal. So I would write 15 / week. Job 15 hours a week. Family and friends. Once a week would be great as well. 1 and W. 1 and W. Health. So health is diet and exercise. Bathing and journaling, that's every day. So I'll put a D in a circle when it's daily. Bathing and journaling. Living in the car is also daily, I think. I just put the D here. I think I can't put a sticker everywhere. I don't know. It will be very full. So bathing and journaling are daily. I can also mark them with a marker. So I think orange for the daily ones. Living in my car is daily. Journaling is daily. Bathing is daily. And then no sugar and fruits and vegetables is daily. Exercise is daily. But it depends. Can be 20k or 10k plus swimming or 10k plus running. I can choose from those. Yeah, so the other ones that are regularly but not every day are yellow. So family, friends and job. And then meditation, that's daily. And prayer also. Language learning also. Swift UI also. Reading also. And planning. My daily frog, my daily habits. And the other one, the evaluation, is once a week or once a month and a quarter and a year. And the words that those tasks refer to, I will put in blue. I don't know, the exercise has to be blue as well. No, I think exercise is blue. And the orange is the 20k because that's the preferred movement. The other ones, swimming and running, that's when I don't have enough time to walk my 20k. So that's my plan. That's my habits. And so some of them are daily and some of them are weekly and monthly and quarterly, and they are on those cards. And I want to make those habit trackers very beautiful, so that I really want to use them. And I mean with beautiful, for example, I will put a personal sticker on it, which I will make with my sticker printer, which is in my Amazon affiliate link, like all my favorite products, which is always the first link in every description. And I use this to make such stickers, and I will put them on the card. And I just have to check which cards are the habits. For example, the frog as itself is not the card. It's just, this is a divider that says here are the frogs. Book summaries, or poems, or living in my car, or planning. Those are series that I make for Polyglot Mona, and I just have to choose one, and then I will do that. And then Polyglot Parket Love It as well. Those are the bilingual ones. So I choose one and then I make it. I work on it. For example, the next few days I will work on the series 1000 verbs, and then I have extra cards that tell me which videos I will make. Those are the language combinations. So I combine all the 6 languages I speak: German, English, French, Spanish, Italian and Russian, to make bilingual videos. And my native speakers, my correctors, teachers, make the audios, and they record the audios after correcting, and then I can make the videos from it. And my task is, first I have to prepare a new ebook so that they can correct something and record the audio, and then I have to edit one of the videos where I already have the audios which have already been corrected. So it's a 2-part thing, creating new ones and making the videos and ebooks so that I can publish them. So that's for language learning. And today's not Wednesday, that's over. Wednesday the 8th, that was yesterday. Today is after the frogs. I have the next day. I'll just take it out with all the task cards that are especially for Thursday. And I will put this here. So today is Thursday the 9th. I did my 20k walk. I had my breakfast. I did the hiking guide. I did social media, but I have to check. I think I have to do one more. And then grocery shopping I did. Bathing I did. Meditation I will do later. This is still necessary, so this is what I have to do next. Also, before the social media, I will do the social media after the meditation at the river. The grocery shopping is done and the bathing is done. And this is next. And after that, recording of Polyglot Mona, which is this one. At the moment, 365 steps, the disclaimer. But I think I don't have the French audio which I needed. So what I will do, I will also do the next video for living in my car. So first I will put all the links and text into the December 23 hiking guide, which was published on the 1st of May. But there's still some text missing. And then I will record and edit videos, which those are the ones where I speak. But this one is the one where my correctors speak. Those are the frogs. And also this one is where my speakers and correctors help me. I'm working on this. And then after that I will do meditation and prayer and social media, while uploads are, well, I have to put the uploads here. And then dialogue correction at 6 p.m. I have a lesson with Natalia. And no laundromat, that was yesterday. I got my laundry from the restaurant. Shorts will be where I do my meditation. No, I already did a short. I just have to publish it on Patreon. The dialogue, the Amazon affiliate links, tutoring. So this dialogue is directly in front of the tutoring lesson, and I want to do some smaller to-dos before that. Amazon, bank account, Patreon levels, and the publishing of the shorts on Patreon. So that's what I will be doing today. And here's the frog. But the habits, what is the habit? I'm not sure what the habit is. Well, the habit here is clear. Walking is the habit. So I will do a sticker for walking. And I will do what comes on a vision board. The future that you imagine, which in my case is also the past, because I already have been thin and fit in 2019. I just have to go back to my old habits, which I had at that time. So I will put a picture of me from 2019 on this card. And then breakfast. The ideal breakfast was the one I had on Tenerife. I will put a Tenerife breakfast sticker here. It was scrambled eggs and tomatoes. And then hiking guide, I will just put the logos of my hiking guide here. And grocery shopping, I will put 6 small pictures of the food I want to shop. Bathing, showering, well, bathing, that's a photo of me bathing in a river. And this is a once only, I won't do any, this is not a habit. And then 365 steps, I can put the 4 symbols that I use in my ebooks and videos for these 4 parts. And then living in my car, I just put my car here, photo of my car, which I live in. Recording and editing, I will put a photo of a logo of YouTube and a photo of a camera of my GoPro and of the icon of iMovie. And then 1000 verbs. I can put the thumbnail of my blog post of 1000 verbs there. And here the German and the English flag. Here the French and Spanish flag. The Italian and the Russian flag. Uploads, just the YouTube logo, and Patreon. YouTube and Patreon. Meditation and prayer. So me sitting at the river praying. And social media, Insta and TikTok, just the icons of Insta and TikTok. And then shorts, the YouTube and Patreon again. Amazon affiliate links, that's a one-time task. And then bank account, the logo of the 2 banks I have my accounts on. That's a one-time. Dialogue correction. I can put a photo of 2 women and with the Skype symbol, because I use Skype for the, and then tutoring school corrections. I will put a picture of a woman teacher correcting and her students with her. One-time task. Skillshare Swift UI. I can use the symbols, the icons of those platforms, and this Swift UI is Xcode. So, and then the diary. Yeah, there exists many photos of diaries. And reading, I will just put the one I'm reading at the moment, the cover here, and then I will make a new reading card when I finished the book. Yeah, and the book summary as well. So I don't know why these are 2 cards. It's not 2 cards. It belongs together. It's one action. Because when I'm reading, I make this book summary. Reading and book summary. So now I know what I want to do, and now I can do it. And I will record the video which I scripted at the river. And I have to check what I have to do. Because we're walking, breakfast, hiking guide, grocery shopping, bathing. Next one is the December, the 365 steps. and the living in my car video and Polyglot Mona, and the recording and editing. Why is it in between? That doesn't make any sense, because the recording is at the river, which I will combine with the meditation. First the meditation, then the recording, then the social media, and the shorts is again in the car because it's publishing. So social media and meditation belongs together. So now done. I wish you a wonderful day or evening, and tell me what you think about this planning card, my habits, and how do you do that. If you have Instagram, you can link my Instagram there. It's also Park It Where You Love It and Polyglot Mona. And I'm looking forward to some comments maybe, and I wish you success in doing all what you plan to do, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.